Alright, so you have a second generation Expedition. You get you one of these here, those dang flat tires. Let's fix it. Come back here after you unload all your stuff. Come on back here, find this handle, lift it up. There's your jack and whatnot. Ford made this super easy. Trust me, easy. Alright, so from here, lift this up, get it up, and pull straight out. Not worried about it right now. Now, let's get that jack out the way. Alright, all it is this here, undo that, lift it straight out. Alright, once you get everything out, 3 bars, this iron, tire iron itself, this old hook gizmo, and a terrible jack. I'm gonna take this one right here and I'm gonna cram it in this hole. A little spot that goes in. Alright, once I'm here, get my thing crammed into there, I want to lower it. I'll need my little hook here. And this is the least fun part of the entire journey. Now let's watch it drop. Alright, once you feel it's low enough, lift it up. You gotta get this guy out of there. And feed it through the center hub there. There we go. Now it's out. From here, I'll set my parking brake. I am not using that terrible jack. Thankfully, I have my own. Alright, so you want a nice safe location right on the frame to jack it up from. Now let's get this center cap off there. You grab your tire iron, stick it right in that hole, and you punch it off. Ta-da! Now you can start smashing down with this tire iron, but these jokers on there tight, and I got a better arrangement. 21mm socket, cordless impact, much easier. All right, so let's take our old one, get it out of the way. Let's get our new one up here, well, our spare. I think we actually got to come up on the jack a little bit. Alright, now that we got it lifted a little bit, let's get it on there. Get it lined up. Okay, so you want to do a star pattern when you're tightening these up. So I'm gonna do it with my hands first. I'm gonna put this thing in hyperlapse so it looks real cool in slow motion or fast motion. But just know I'm going in a star pattern. A little bit harder with 6. To be quite honest, I didn't even know this thing was 6 lug. Better to go boom, 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 boom. So tighten, 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 tighten. All right, now the tire's on, let's drop the jack. Now, I'm not sure if it's picking up, but the tire is a little slack. We're going to make sure that we do fill it full of air. Also, we still need to pick our cable up. Right there. Our little spare tire cable. So let's pick that up. We'll just take our bar right here, turn it the opposite direction. Let's watch it climb up. So why didn't I put the spare back under the truck? Because I'm going to change this tire. I'm going to change the rim out. So I'm going to leave it out so that the shop has a better access to it. That is changing a spare tire on a 2nd generation Ford Expedition. Hope you like it. Hope it helped. Thank you much.